Have you ever been exhausted, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain starts replaying everything tonight? You'll follow a 2-minute routine designed to shut down tension, slow your breathing, and quiet your thoughts. Do this with me once now. Then use it every night for a week because speed comes from repetition. Before we start, set your environment for success because the routine works best when your body feels safe and comfortable. Dim your lights and put your phone out of reach. Set your room cool and quiet if possible. Lie on your back or your side, choose what feels natural, and clench your jaw, drop your shoulders. Why you can't sleep fast? Sleep isn't something you force, it's something you allow. When your nervous system is in alert mode, your body acts like it's on duty, even if you're tired. So the goal is simple. Flip your body into calm mode first, and sleep follows. The 2-minute routine: face pseudo release about 60 seconds. Start by relaxing the small muscles first. This signals safety to your brain. Face 10 seconds. Forehead smooth, eyes soft, no squinting, tongue resting, jaw unclenched, teeth not touching. Shoulders plus arms 20 seconds. Lift your shoulders slightly and let them drop. Let your arms feel heavy. Open your hands, fingers loose. Let your chest soften. Let your belly be relaxed. Stop holding it in. Hips plus legs plus feet 20 seconds. Unclench your glutes and thighs. Let your knees fall heavy. Relax your ankles and toes. If a body part still feels tense, don't fight it, just soften it by 10%. Step 2. Breathing down, shift about 40 to 60 seconds. Now we slow the system with breathing, no force. No big gulps, guided breathing. Inhale gently through your nose 4 seconds. Exhale slowly 6 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Longer exhales tell your body, we're safe now. Step 3. The mental off switch about 30 to 45 seconds. Thoughts keep you awake because your brain thinks it has a problem to solve. So we give it a boring, peaceful channel to watch. Pick one. Option A. The boat scene. Imagine you lying in a small boat on a calm lake, looking at a wide, empty sky. Option B. The dark room. Picture a quiet, dark room with nothing to do and nowhere to go, just stillness. When a thought appears, don't argue with it, label it thinking, and return to the scene. Common mistakes so they don't quit trying too hard. Checking the clock, scrolling one last time, doing the routine once and expecting miracles. This is training. The first win is calm. Sleep speed improves after repetition. Make it work in real life. 3 quick upgrades. High impact. Use the routine at the same time nightly. Your body learns the cue. If you're still awake after a while, reset. Relax jaw plus slow exhale again. Keep your room for sleep if possible. Avoid working in bed. If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone who struggles at night. Follow for more simple wellness routines, and subscribe for weekly videos that improve your sleep, focus, and health.